poderia ir lá atrás. Isso, o Rafael podia ir lá atrás com o Daniel.
The rest of the islands are gonna be the Rosario Islands, which are 27, but obviously we're not gonna be visiting all 27 of them, okay? And the last one is gonna be F.A.L.A, okay?
It's 15 minutes, half an hour. What time?
Okay. Let me get something.
Okay.
Be back.
Hi, how are you,
All
mister?
right, how's it going, buddy?
Hi, welcome to Namaste. Hi, everybody. If you want to order something for drink, something for eat, is with me, okay? Namaste is your house, so you're welcome to Namaste where you will. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How much?
20,000.
Huh?
20.
Pineapple. Coconut. Coconut. See.
Strong or medium?
Yeah. Boys playing boosie out here. What I'm talking about.
Hey, my man. I overheard you from Houston.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Andrea and
Me is Kevin.
we want to invite you, if you ever come to Cartagena and you want to go to the islands, you can book with us. We are Lots to Travel and you can find us and Get Your Guide and TripAdvisor and all those places. You can find us anywhere, okay? So we are gonna take you to the best places in the islands and be with you all the time and taking care of you so you don't feel lonely and we have a great time. Thank you.
Right. I recommend it, guys.